Hello, my name is METİN ARIDAŞIR. This is 76th part of explanation of my theory. Rest energy of electron is constant for each different size wavelength electrons. Rest energy of electron is constant. Relativistic energy equations are wrong. According to my theory and my formulas, 1. There is no absolute motionless mass. 2. Motion and velocity is determinative for mass. If there is no velocity, motion, in somewhere in meta-sensation perception matter, there is no mass. Do you remember my term of meta-sensation perception matter? It was empty page from my first video, if you remember. Meta-sensation perception matter was an empty page, and it has intrinsic motion forms. It has intrinsic immanent cyclical motion forms that I named Electron Motion Forms. And these electron motion forms are unique light sources in our universes. I advise you to, if you want, to watch my former videos. Yes. 2. Motion and velocity is determinative for mass. If there is no velocity, motion, in somewhere in meta-sensation perception matter, MSPM, there is no mass. 3. If this is so, why an at-rest electron has mass? Why an at-rest electron has mass? Why? It is at rest. No displacement. It is not relocating. How is this electron has mass or energy? Because of it is motion form. Motion form of meta-sensation perception matter, intrinsic motion forms. Okay? Here, in fact, we cannot see directly. Here, electron motion form. Cycling, cycling, cycling. Maybe at rest this form, motion form, but in fact it is not at rest. At rest means relocating, displacement. Okay? Now, I'm gonna go on. 3. If this is so, why an at-rest electron has mass? Because electron motion form is a motion form itself. Remember from my former videos, if meta-sensation perception matter has no motion forms in it somewhere, there will not be mass. Okay. 4. Yes. Rest mass idea is wrong. There is no rest mass. 5. Rest mass energy is equal to total energy for electron motion form. Yes. Whether this electron motion form is at rest or is relocating, it is not important. Its total at rest or total mass is same, doesn't change. rest mass energy is equal to total energy for electron motion form, which is unique source of light in universes, because there is no absolute rest electron and absolute rest electrons mass and absolute rest electrons energy, because there is no absolute rest electron. Intrinsic motion form. Electron is intrinsic motion form of meta-sensation perception matter, and remember, the light is the bridge between two realities. Meta-sensation perception matter reality to our subjective reality. There is duality. Life experience, our subjective reality that we share all living species, and we can never see directly meta-sensation perception matter, and we can never see directly the electron motion form. Yes. Six. What does it mean to say free electron motion form is at rest? It means it's cycling as motion form of meta-sensation perception matter itself without relocating, without displacement. So it has as if at rest, as if at rest energy. So it has at rest energy. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you, your mind, okay? 7. There is no rest energy for anything. Rest energy idea is wrong. 8. Up to now, all physics theories assume that there are rest mass and rest energy for any object, whereas without motion and velocity, mass and energy cannot be in anywhere. 9. Motion and velocity are determinative for mass and energy. 10. All masses and energies of objects occur through motion. 11. Unless you shrink or enlarge its adiabatic medium, you cannot add energy to electron motion form, and you cannot subtract energy from it, whether it is not relocating or it is relocating, even if accelerated by thousands of volts applied voltages. At rest, total energy of electron motion form is equal to in motion relocating total energy of it. Therefore, relativistic energy equations here, relativistic energy formulas are wrong. Here, the truth, according to my theory and my formulas. Now, wait a moment. Here, each of these formulas, my formulas, point energy formulas of that electron motion form. Point mass, point energy, point wave velocity, point wavelength, point momentum, but no frequency changing. Frequency is constant. Angular momentum is constant. Okay, total momentum is constant. Total mass is same, unchanged. Total energy same, whether it is at rest or in relocating. Okay. Now, total energy is equal to A multiplied by these four point energy formulas. Okay. Remember, here my mass formula hidden. Remember from my former videos. Here hidden mass, my mass formula. Here hidden same energy, different. Yes. Here momentum. My moment formula hidden in that formula that I put for. Okay. Yes. Now, what is A? A, area of electron motion form's whole surface multiplied by point energy formula. These are two different appearance, two apparent same, what can I say? Wait, okay, I forgot. Expression, yes. Different expression, same energy, different expression. My different expressions, okay. Yes. Total energy of electron, whether it is at rest, no displacement or in motion, doesn't change. For each different initial wavelength, electron motion forms, total energy is constant. Okay? If electron motion form relocates, only energy, mass, momentum, wave velocities, wavelengths, distribution change. Only these concepts, these facts, distributions change. But as total energy, total mass, total momentum, angular momentum, spin, linear velocity, and frequency unchanged. Yes, snapshot here. And now, you may want to read. I hope you can see. Then goes on with that. Yes. Have a good night. See you later.